Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to convert an image to a PDF file on your Google Pixel phone quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Files app or Photos app. It doesn't matter which one you use, but in this video, I'll go with the Files app. Next, find and open the image you want to convert to PDF. Once you open the photo, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Print. Now, tap on Select Printer. Then, from the drop-down list, choose Save as PDF. After that, tap the PDF icon or the Save button. Next, choose where you want to save the file and give it a name if needed. Finally, tap Save. And that's it! You successfully converted your image to a PDF file on your Google Pixel phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.